Dear friends, today I want to share you very important plants introduction about drumstick or Moringa Oleifera. Moringa Oleifera is very popular vegetable in several countries of the world. It contains lots of minerals, vitamins and hormones. Classification and identification. Kingdom Plantae, family Moringaceae, species M. oleifera, genus Moringa. Location: Moringa Oleifera is the economically most valuable species and is native to South Asia and Northern Hemisphere in sufficient number, where it grows in the Himalayan foothills, the tropics, but widely cultivated across the tropics. There are a variety of species occurs in eastern Ethiopia, northern Kenya, Somalia, of which 9 species are in found, but 8 are endemic to Africa. In India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Malaysia, China and Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, also containing 7 types of species of Moringa Oleifera. Some species are found in seasonally, while some are found in whole season. Functional importance for human beings: it helps brain to receive information rapidly. Number 2, it helps sensory organ to sending its own instructions to the muscles. Number 3, it controls various stimuli from different sense organs. Number 4, it controls and coordinates body activities so that chemical reaction take place of the body together efficiently. Medicinal importance: in the form of nervous tonic, prepare very effective brain tonic by the Moringa Oleifera. It controls nervous system also. Number 2, it is very important for somatotropic hormone. It develops somatotropic hormone. Number 3, prepare effective medicine from deaf, dumb and mad persons. Mad person who are suffering from mad, deaf and dumb. Dear friends, if you like, you subscribe and share your friends. Thanks.